Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our LED license plate lights on 2021 to 2023 Ford F-150 trucks. Let's get into it.
Our LED license plate lights for trucks and SUVs are a simple upgrade that makes a big impact. Designed to be significantly brighter than stock, they deliver a crisp, white light that enhances visibility, improves safety, and gives your truck a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the plug-and-play design, and the durable, waterproof construction means they're built to weather the storm mile after mile. Whether you're aiming to be a showstopper or just have better nighttime visibility, these LED lights are the high-performance upgrade your truck's been missing. A couple of things to note before we get into the install. The procedure outlined is for 2021 to 2023 Ford F-150s. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability, and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
Back at the rear bumper, at the license plate light, we've got these 3 tabs, one on each side and one on the bottom, that we'll need to depress to detach the light from the bumper. You may also have 1 tab on one side and 2 tabs on the other side.
Now, with your hands or a flathead screwdriver, press in the tabs and push the light out.
Now that the OEM light assembly is detached from the bumper, go ahead and pull it out. Grab your bulb socket, twist it counterclockwise to detach it from the assembly. Take your bulb, pull it out of the socket. Now grab your Boost Auto LED license plate light assembly. Pull the socket out from the assembly. You'll plug this into the OEM bulb socket. Either way is fine. Once that is done, line your tabs up from the bulb socket to the Boost Auto LED plate light. Once it's inserted, twist it clockwise.
When installing your new Boost Auto lights, make sure the side of the light with the 1 tab faces in, then insert the light and push until it clicks into place.
Now repeat the same steps on the other license plate light assembly. Well, that about wraps it up for the installation of our LED license plate lights on 21 to 23 Ford F-150 trucks. If you're a fan of these LED license plate lights, head on over to our website, boostauto.com, to check out all we have to offer, such as these tow mirror lights and these M2 illuminated power steps. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.